Hello everyone. On behalf of Accenture Life Sciences, welcome to the INTIENT Summit 2020, our first ever completely digital summit. Our theme for the summit is Open to the Future. So what does that mean? It's all about openness in terms of collaboration, how we collaborate within our organizations, across functions, across organizations, and ultimately across the industry. I mean, there's never been a more important time than right now to build ecosystems and collaborate better.
I wanted to be here today to make sure that all of you understand just how important INTIENT is, our partnership with Google Cloud is, and our commitment to this platform. When you're using INTIENT, you're probably not thinking about the fact that it's in cloud, but it's the cloud capabilities that allows the agility, the computing power for the data, the ability to quickly change and adapt. Let me just start with our focus on inclusion and diversity begins with our belief that it's critical to our success and our innovation. We also believe that from a talent perspective, to attract the best people want to work at companies that have unwavering commitments to inclusion, diversity, and equality for all.
I think something that's very personally important to me and in the work that I've done even prior to coming to Google is about diversity in trials. We all know that participants in trials aren't reflective of the people who actually receive a therapy or device.
And that's certainly a passion of mine, certainly something that I have devoted a lot of my time over the years that I've been in the industry. We need to join hands to bring it forward, to really bring it to the forefront, to really make a difference. And last but not the least, we can't do it alone. So where are we going from here?
We set goals. We have execution plans, we measure the data, we hold our leaders accountable, and that has been how we have been successful, although I say that very humbly because we have so much more to do.
It's about openness in terms of technology, making sure that we have the right connectivity between infrastructure, data sources, and applications so that we can achieve what we want to achieve. And how do we build the cultures of continuous innovation that we need to take us forward? And all of that is with the singular focus of creating a better life and better experiences and better outcomes for patients, for people.
Innovation is really as simple as a group of individuals maybe thinking about some unmet need or some pressing need that they really want to solve in a new way. It could be a technology, it could be a process, it could be just new ways of working as well.
And as we forge ahead with new science, new modalities in treating disease like cell therapy, gene editing, there are new complexities around how we conduct these studies and how we capture and act on that data. This is our opportunity to go forwards, to really embrace that change, ensure sustainability of our clinical trials. We've started on this journey, and now is the time that we ensure we harness that full potential of clinical data and work together as an industry to simplify our clinical trials for our sites and our patients.
It's about being optimistic about the future. And even though we've been and are going through such a terrible time of loss, there's never been a time in human history where we've had access to so many amazing tools, technologies, and capabilities.
We know how hard, predicting the future is. If we'd all take ourselves back 12 months, none of us would have predicted what 2021 looks like. But nonetheless, what we're going to do is we're going to take the insights and the learnings we have over the last year, as well as what we're seeing today, and think about how can we predict the future.
Resiliency has been, really highlighted by the COVID crisis because the cloud allows you to be more resilient. There's less failure. There's more security. That debate is over. Speed is really critical. One of the examples that we did recently with INTIENT, where we helped digital therapeutic that normally would take years, and we do it in months. The speed is really important.
So I do think as an industry we can do a lot more to make data understandable and meaningful and actionable.
And we all have a collective responsibility with that. I mean, if it's not now, then when? And if it's not us, then who? I'd like to leave you with a quote from Michael J. Fox's latest book. But we can all take something positive from the class of 2020, to accept what has happened in the past, to embrace the present, and to remain open to the probability that it will get better in the future.
Your future is whatever you make it, so make it a good one.